Oh my god, I keep doing that. Oh. Beep. Jesus fuck. Sorry. Thank you. Ay.
Chamaram a castela de
Eu vou morrer.
Que dor.
Mano, não dói. Mas a agonia.
Nossa, tá uns cabelinhos cabulosos aqui, hein? Foi isso aí.
Meu nariz.
Hã? Hã?
Nossa, estourou meu ouvido.
Eu desentupiu. A vida da blogueira não é fácil.
Caraca, socorro.
Nossa. Isso aqui, o Gustavo deve estar dando uns beijos em você sentindo a barba.
Nossa, eu tô com a barba dele já. Não dá, moça, não dá. Excuse me. Sneeze vlog. Sneeze vlog. Sneeze vlog. Sneeze vlog. No.
Lo siento, me voy a enfermar. Bueno, ya estoy enferma de gripa. Creo que eso es por el clima, porque... o bueno, no. Me comí un raspado y a base de eso he andado así. Pero bueno, vamos a tratar de ignorarlo.
Using your doctor through Monarch. Well, it's going to be down for a few minutes, so let's...
Yeah, so please only full pay for what comes out of you whenever.
Nothing is
Good morning to me, not being able to stop sneezing. What? Just sneezed all over my phone.
Oh, it's good. It's gonna be fine. Yeah.
There's a gym in here scheduled at 5:15, July 10th. Car is left here. The car is here. I don't even know these people, but now they think I want to go on vacation with them.
Just dying, like every morning. I literally am fucking dying. God. Ooh. I just let that one spray and it feels so good. Like right there, hear this feeling like ah! I'm just like swerved in the other lane. But that's how bad my allergies are today. That's why my eyes are so swollen. So I'm on my way to Walgreens to get medicine and see if they have like eye drops to take away puffiness. And that's it.
Let me print this out, and I'm going to.
This is a compilation of me sneezing.
Excuse me. Oh my gosh.
Boys only want love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Boys only want love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn ya.
Bless you.
Thank you.